Okay, salespeople, you are going to want this SharePoint skill. It's a skill designed to analyze your weekly sales figures and generate an interactive HTML report that you can then use to present to executive level reporting or to your team as a whole. It's going to use the new skills functionality inside of SharePoint, and it is going to analyze your sales figures. So let's run this and have a look at what this actually outputs. Now, I've got my sales data here. Let's have a look and I'll open it up. It's e-commerce sales data. It has got a number of different columns and rows, and there's quite a bit of data in here that may have been exported from another system or something like that. We store our stuff in SharePoint, but we need to analyze that. We need to do it consistently, and we need to do it every single week. That is a perfect scenario for a skill. We can extend AI in SharePoint with the creation of skills. Now, these skills are stored in a very special document library called Agent Assets. And I've got a skills folder in here. And inside this skills folder, I have got a weekly narrative review skill. It's a skill.md file, which is a markdown file. And inside of this file, I have got written down everything that I need to do, right? Everything that this skill needs to use to operate and analyze our data. Now, it means that everybody can use this. Any person that's part of our sales team can use this skill, and now we've just extended the functionality and the skills of our entire team. So let's put this to the test. I'm going to jump into my documents library here. I am going to select my sales data. Now, all I'm going to do is type weekly review. Now, by doing that, that's going to invoke that skill. Now, what you're going to see in this panel here is I'm actually loading two skills. I've got the weekly narrative review skill, but inside of that skill, I'm also going to load our design principles as well. All right. So I'm doing that so that these reports can be branded, right? So it's using our theme, our style, our colors, our fonts, and it is always the same every single time. So you can see here, it has also invoked the design system skill. So you can see how chaining these skills together and combining them can really give us a really powerful outcome, right? So both skills are loaded. It is now going to go through the analysis of this Excel spreadsheet data. Let's have a look and see what the output is. All right, so the analysis has been done. The report has been built. Now it is now saving this to the documents library, and here it is, right? So we can see there is the report, HTML file. Let's open it up and have a look, right? So let's go and grab, and you can see the colors there, right? So we are using our assets, our design skill, right? So we can see I've got my performance snapshot. If I keep scrolling down here, you can see I've even got some graphs, right? So I've got some graphs, I've got some numbers, I've got some cards, I've got interactive elements here, categories, regions, channels. I've got my areas of concern, my performance. I've even got a little carousel, well, not a carousel, it's a drop-down menu here of our top 10 products, all done dynamically, right? So if I keep scrolling down, we've got what recommended actions, what to do next, all done by that skill. Now, the beauty about that skill is it's repeatable. We just run that every single week. It generates the report for us, and it always reads from that file that we select. We run the skill, and it just does that analysis. The same thing every single week, presents it in a nicely presented format that we can then use and present to our team or to the executive board. All right, thanks for watching. Now, if you want these skills, if you want more information about skills, even download some skills that you might want to use in your day-to-day work, head over to SharePointAIskills.com and you will find a stack of information there about SharePoint AI, about extending AI in SharePoint with skills.